Okay, so today we are going to set up React Native on our Windows PC. So let's go ahead. First, we will go to React Native documentation, click on development environment. So we are now set. There are two ways to set up React Native on your PCs. One is export that is pretty much easy. I will explain it in next video. But in this, we are going to have going through a hard way, React Native CLI. And since our development is in Windows and we are setting it up on Android, so we are gonna select these two options. After that, we have to install certain dependencies like Choco, Node.js, Microsoft OpenJDK. So I have all of these installed, and I will surely share the resources in the description. Let me just go to CMD. When going to CMD, I will check Choco version to verify if I've installed it. Yep, we are having a version of Choco. Like this is the version we have installed in our environment in our Windows, and you will certainly after installing these things. So what you have to do is first install Node.js and then OpenJDK, then Choco, and then run this command in the CMD. Okay, after that. After that, you have to install certain things: Android SDK, Android SDK platform, Android Virtual Device, and Android Studio for sure. So what we are going to do is going into Android Studio. So when we reach the home page of Android Studio, we are going to see a simple option like download Android Studio. Since I have installed it, so I'm not going to install it. And the installation is pretty much easy. You will tap on this install button and you will accept the button, agree on this, and install it. Whenever you click on install button, it will be installed on this. I will cancel it because I have already installed it. So after that, when you have Android Studio, you will go to Android Studio. It will show a video demonstration like this, and you will see a much lookalike window. In the window, you will go to the tools SDK manager. In the SDK manager, what we are going to use is, so I have installed Android 11.0 platform, and in the tools we will have to install Android emulator and Android SDK platform tools. And yeah, everything you have to install it. You have to take it and click on OK. It will automatically install on your device. Okay, and then go again on the tools and device manager. The device manager I have installed like I've installed a device with Pixel, an emulator with a with the name of Pixel. Okay, you can install any device like an emulator, an Android device, anything. Okay, you can share you can adjust the setting according to your needs, but I would recommend that you just leave it as it is as default. Click on finish. Going back to steps to follow. After that, there's a part like changing the environment variables. So since you have installed Android SDK, now after that you will have to go to start and write environment variables and click on environment variables. So this you look at this. This was not there before. I just added. I will explain you how to do it. Once your SDK installed, it will most commonly in that location. I can locate you to that location. So first you will go to Explorer. So whenever you are in Explorer, make sure to click on hidden items, show hidden items, because some folders in local disk C are not visible, and we have some work with these folders especially. So we will have to open toggle the hidden items so we can see and work with these items. So going over to local disk C, we have users, then PC. My PC name is PC. You have you will select whatever your PC name is, and then go to you see the app data folder is a little bit dim according as compared to others because it was a hidden folder. Go to app data, go to local, go to Android, go to SDK. So will here's the location your SDK will reside. Okay, cool. Then going back to your environment. Okay, okay. Now after all these installations, copy this and no, you can use VS Code also, but installing Android Studio is mandatory as well. It will help you to install necessary packages. Okay. So first I will go to now I will use Visual Studio and I will open the file I wish to start my or install my application on. So such that I select new volume E. In E, I will paste the command. Let's say my new app. Click on it. It will take time, not much time, but a certain amount of time. Okay, looks like our app is being installed. Now changing the directory to the app I installed, like in our case, it was my new app. So cd my new app, my new app. Now I will run the command npm run android. So it will automatically launch the emulator if my physical device is not attached. Okay. Since my physical device is not attached, so the emulator is being popped up and I will start the development on the emulator. So right now it's just configuring. That's the like whenever your app is launching and building it's almost 33% configuration now. Until it's 100, it will show the previous working. Like this was the previous working of my application. Once it's completed, it will update and a new screen will be shown. For the physical device, what we have to do is we have to like go into the settings of our mobile phone and go into the advanced settings and where we will be have an option to enable debugging. After debugging, we have to go to the build number, click tap on the build number certain times, and you will see that developer mode is on. After the option, you can just plug your device with the laptop, and it will automatically run on your mobile phone. 97%. Yep. Build is created. A new app is being launched. bundling in the app. If you have any difficulties in this video, I'm also giving the link to my Medium journal where each step will be stated there and you can follow it up like this. Now, this is our screen, and let me just, okay, this is the app.tsx. Let's say we edit this one. I can say setting up React Native successful. True. You can see that changes has been reflected to the emulator to the device. So yeah, that was I cannot say it's easy. It's hacked because these one-time downloads, these one-time setting of environments are hectic because we are not doing it in our everyday task. Once you can set it up and you don't have to do it like every time, you can just go on and like start with development. And yeah, no need to do it every time. Thank you.